Hey, welcome to Origination Overload. Today I'm going to be talking to you about rhythm. I'll take one drum kit and one pattern and I'll show you how to turn that into different genre styles by simply pitching it up or down and changing the tempo. I'll also share some ideas and concepts behind breakbeats and two-step compared to traditional Western or white rhythm. So let me show you how I'm going to take a traditional house beat, turn it into a breakbeat, and then turn it into different styles. Okay, so a breakbeat would look something like this. Let me just move this closed hat one step forward, and I'm going to remove these kicks, and I'm going to put a kick there and over there. Now listen to how the same pattern, pitched either up or down with a different tempo, how it can do different kinds of styles. So this would be a breakbeat. Trip up, it's pitched up by 32 and the tempo is now 90. Drum and bass, it's pitched down by 32 and the tempo is now 175. Dubstep, tempo is now 70 and the kick and the snare are pitched down by 24 and the hi-hat is pitched up by 24. So let me go back to the original breakbeat. I want to talk a little bit about rhythm. Western kind of white rhythm is like this, where you generally using your 1/8. In between that space, so in these patterns you could do kind of rock beats. What gives something kind of like a two-step rhythm to it is actually using the space in between. So using these spaces. I'll show you what I mean. So dubstep, you would actually use half timing. So for example, the tempo is actually 140. But instead of putting your snare on the 5 and the 13, it would actually be halfway. It would be on the 9. So it would be something like this. And you would generally have an off rhythm as well. So interesting way to kind of think about these two-step kind of R&B hip-hop rhythms is thinking about things as either pushing or pulling. Let me put the tempo down to 90. So if this sounds like it's going infinity, just forward, and it's got a 3-step gap in between it, let's try a 2-step gap in between it. Now listen to this. It sounds almost like it's falling over itself or pulling or pushing. So yeah, I hope that gave you some ideas about rhythm, pitch, and tempo. If you found that interesting or helpful, please like and subscribe. Cheers.
Origination Overload.